Do you ever open up your fridge only to find someone has purchased eggnog and you are trying to be healthier this holiday season? Well, do I have a recipe for you? Let's go. Now it's time to get your hands a little dirty. You're gonna take your hands, scoop out those egg yolks, and place them gently into your bowl. Now I like to do it this way because it's just a lot quicker, and also it helps keep those egg yolks intact. You don't want them split with all that egg white, and then you're gonna have to fish it all out, and it's not fun. So do it this way. Now that you've got your yolks in a bowl, it's time to add in your sweetener. So today I'm using Lecanto monk fruit sweetener to keep it low carb. And then when you're done with that, you're going to take your whisk and your biceps, and you're just gonna whisk it all together until it's kind of a lighter yellow color. Now it's time to grab your large saucepan, and you're going to add in your milk, then your cream, followed by your cinnamon, nutmeg, and a pinch of salt. Now make sure you do it in that exact order or it will all explode. Just kidding, it won't explode, but I mean, just do what I say. I'm the expert. Now that your eggnog is slightly thicker, it's time to take it off of the stove and add in your vanilla extract or vanilla paste, whichever you're using. And you're gonna slowly spoon in little amounts of it into your egg mixture. This helps temper the eggs and prevents them from turning into scrambled eggs. Trust me, this is very important because I have made that mistake myself. And you're going to make sure that you're whisking it at the same time. This is also very important to prevent them from turning into scrambled eggs. This is a lot harder than it looks. It's like patting your head and rubbing your tummy. All right, we are almost done. So now it's time to take that liquid, pour it back into the saucepan. And cook it for a little bit longer just to make sure it really thickens up. But be careful not to cook it too long because it can get very clumpy if you do, and that's not really eggnog, it's egg mush. We are so close to having the most perfect eggnog. Now we need to strain it to make sure that there's no milk solids lingering around in there. And then we're going to store it in an airtight container, and you can throw it in your fridge for about 2 hours just to make sure it gets nice and cool before enjoying. And there you have it, an eggnog that will not break your calorie bank and is so much better for you this holiday season. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this recipe, and please remember to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and comment, all that jazz. Anyway, see you later.